Tata Mutual Fund is presenting 6 new sectoral index funds new fund offer covering different sectors. The sectors are automobile, infrastructure, realty, finance, manufacturing, and healthcare. All these are index funds following respective Nifty Index. As these are index funds, the expense ration will be low. This NFO is providing opportunity to the investors to invest on the sectoral index of choice. We are confident that this information will help investors about this new fund's objective and its future potential. Most of the information for this fund has been taken from the new fund offering document. Please watch this video to the end to understand the details of this unique NFO. In case you are interested in content like this, please subscribe to WealthAbhi. Tata Mutual Fund introduces Nifty Mid-Small Healthcare Index Fund. The Nifty Mid-Small Healthcare Index tracks the performance of mid-cap and small-cap stocks belonging to the healthcare sector. The index includes up to 30 stocks. Stock weights are based on free float market capitalization. This is the first mid-small healthcare index fund. The Nifty Healthcare Index comprises of 30 stocks that are listed on the National Stock Exchange or NSE. This index consists of several growth-oriented stocks and has a high PYE of 42. The top companies are provided on the screen. The constituents and its weightage are reviewed twice a year during the months of February and August every year. Nifty Mid-Small Index performed quite well during post-COVID period but had undergone a dip after that. Subsequent to the dip, the index made a dream run in the last 1 year, providing an impressive 62% return. The NFO is presently open for subscription till 22nd April. The minimum lump sum investment is 5,000 rupees with additional investment in multiples of 1,000 rupees. The minimum SIP investment is 1,000 rupees with minimum 6 installments. Both the index and the fund are considered as highest risk category as per riskometer. Investors should consider this point before investment. Please note that this is not an advice for investment. The objective of this video is to share more information and knowledge to potential investors. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads.